Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we're going to solve this exponential equation similar to one of those questions given at the entrance exam of Stanford University. So we have here x to the power of x equals 3 to the power of x plus 9.
And so, how do we solve this equation?
And so here we'll be using two methods to solve for the value of x. So here in method number 1, we'll be using the rules of exponents. And so we have here our equation. So our first step will be to transform the right-hand side. Left-hand side remains the same. X to the power of x is equal to 2. Right-hand side can be written as 3 to the power of x times 3 to the power of 9. This is based on exponent power rule. That is a to the m plus n is equal to a to the power of m times a to the power of n. Dividing the whole equation by 3 to the power of x. So we have here cancelled. So we have x to the power of x divided by 3 to the power of x equals 3 to the power of 9. And if you notice on the left hand side, we have the same exponent, right? So from another exponent formula, if we have a to the power of c divided by b to the power of c, this is written the same way as a divided by b to the power of c. We combine the numerator and the denominator because their exponents are common. So we will do that on here. So now the left hand side becomes x over 3 to the power of x is equal to 3 to the power of 9. Did you notice anything on the left and the right hand side of the equation? The base here is x over 3. Exponent is x. 3 is the base, 9 is the exponent. What can we do on here to have an exact reflection of the base with respect to the exponent? Do we know what to do? Well, what we do here is raise the whole equation to the exponent 1/3. Will that do anything? Alright, so now the left hand side becomes x over 3 as the base raised to x times 1/3. So that is x times 1/3, right? And it's equal to the right hand side 3 to the power of 9 times 1/3. And so then the exponents, right? We can multiply those, right? Based on exponent formula again, if we have a to the power of m raised to the power of n, this is written the same way as, or the same value as a to the power of m times n. So we have x over 3 to the power of x over 3. In the right hand side, 3 to the power of 9 divided by 3, right? So that's 3. So then, what do you see? The base and the exponent are the same. Likewise, on the right hand side, this implies that the base here is equal to the base of the right hand side as well as the exponent here equals to the exponent on the right hand side. So then we have x over 3 equals 3. Then x is equal to 3 times 3 is 9 as the value of x. So now let's go to the second method. We'll be using the rules of logarithms. So we have here our original equation, x to the power of x equals 3 to the power of x plus 9. So first step, we're taking the logarithm on both sides of the equation. That is understood, this is base 10. So based on logarithm power rule, if we have log of a to the base b, exponent c, this can be written as c times log of a base b. Simply means the exponent is going to the front. So here, x going to the front, same time on the other side going to the front, right? So we now have x times logarithm of x equals the exponent going to the front, so x plus 9 times log of 3. So now, right hand side, distribute log of 3, right? So we have x times log of 3 plus 9 log of 3. left hand side remains the same. So now we have the variable here, combine them all together, taking this to the left hand side. So we have x times log of x minus x log of 3 equals 9 log of 3. So we have here x is common, factor that out. So x and quantity log of x minus log of 3 is equals to 9 log of 3. And here, log of x minus log of 3, we'll be using the logarithm quotient rule. That's if we have here, let's say if we have log of a minus log of b, this is equal to log of a divided by b. So now the left hand side becomes x times log of x divided by 3 equals the right hand side remains the same, 9 log of 3. So now what are we going to do? Well, we have here, if we divide both sides of the equation by 3, right? So what do you see? X over 3 here, x over 3, and here 9 over 3 log of 3. So the right hand side can read it as 9 over 3 is 3, right? 3 log of 3. Left hand side remains the same. And so now what do you see? So by direct comparison, you can tell that x over 3 corresponds to 3, and this part log of x over 3 corresponds to this part log of 3. And so x over 3 equals 3, and the other side log of x over 3 equals log of 3. So now solving for x over 3 equals 3, so x is equal to 9. On the right hand side we have log of x over 3 is equal to log of 3. So then we can cancel the log, right? So x over 3 is the same 3. So this is the same, x is equal to 9. And so now on those two methods, we have the same answer. X is equal to 9. All of these are 9, the same way. All right.
And so that's all for now, and thank you for watching. For those new to my channel, I would appreciate it if you can hit the like button and subscribe for more videos. Hit that notification bell so you won't miss any future uploads. And I'll see you in my next videos. Have a great day, everyone. Take care. Bye-bye.